Hey guys, I'm Scott. Hope you're having a great day, and thanks to all of you who have subscribed to my channel. Now you may have noticed in my previous video that my nice bright amplifier has something dark sitting right up on top of it. Whenever I want a tube sound out of my solid-state amplifier, I just stack my hybrid tube amplifier on top. The trick is that both the crush and the microdark both have effects loops that can be connected together. Now the guitar and pedals go directly to the input of the microdark, and its effects loop send is tied to the return of the crush. Now a really nice feature of the microdark is that its output stage is solid state, and so it doesn't have to be connected to a load such as a speaker cabinet. Personally, I like the sound of the microdark and the crush separately and together, so I think I have the best of both worlds. I'm Scott. I hope to see you again soon.